Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with what we believe is the best Real Jade Roller available. The 4-in-1 Jade Roller and Gua Sha set by MoValues. Now, before we delve into why we think this set stands out from the rest, let's talk about the importance of using genuine jade in your skincare routine. You see, authentic Brazilian jade, like the one used in this set, possesses a unique crystalline lattice structure that delivers healing ions deep into your skin. This promotes circulation, smooths fine lines, and helps flush out lymphatic waste and puffiness. But what sets this 4-in-1 set apart from the competition? Well, for starters, you're not just getting a jade roller. You're also receiving an eye massager, a Gua Sha tool, and a ridged roller massager. It's a comprehensive package designed to elevate your skincare routine to new heights. And let's talk about quality. Unlike many facial rollers on the market that are made with flimsy materials, this set features a stainless steel integrated frame that ensures durability and longevity. Say goodbye to squeaky rollers and hello to smooth, seamless glides across your skin. Now, here's a pro tip. Pop these beauties in the fridge or freezer for a refreshing massage that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the sensation of cool jade on your skin after a long day. But perhaps what I love most about this set is the attention to detail. From the elegant packaging to the comprehensive instruction guide, MoValues has thought of everything to ensure you get the most out of your skincare routine. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a real jade roller that delivers results, look no further than the 4-in-1 Jade Roller and Gua Sha set by MoValues. Your skin will thank you.